So my wife is unboxing another orders from Amazon. So the first box, what's inside of it?
There's two. There's electric fan.
The first box,
I'm
electric
not
fan,
sure. Maybe this is the
vacuum. So she's going to try the vacuum.
No, it's the electric fan. So the vacuum is so big.
It's the electric fan?
Oh no.
No, it's the vacuum.
So
So she will try it and recommend it to you
this
if
is on sale.
it is a good vacuum.
The cordless vacuum. The brand is
Devo.
Devotech. So it's on sale now. From $3.99, it's only very cheap now. So opening it. There's a good
Excuse me.
review, so let's try it.
Okay, assemble them.
You have the user manual. And this one of the attachment. Oh, there's screws.
Excuse me.
It's
What's that?
so small.
Hindi sa mahaba. Or nag-stretch.
I thought it will be. Is it the one? Is it the one? There's few more attachments. Maybe this one. Okay. Yeah. It's not small. It's the attachment. So we put this one to this.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Let's try. So, oh no. So should be the other side. Okay. Try to hear a click sound. There's no click sound, but it's fixed now. And
What's
then
that?
This is the main
Handle.
handle. Don't show my face. I have it.
Okay, put it now.
Actually, there's 3 lights, but only 2 lights is working. So,
Hindi pa na-charge. It's not full charge.
okay, maybe that's the battery. So, we'll just connect it here. Light on.
You should try it first on the sofa. It's already dirty.
There.
Okay. Nice one.
One more battery left.
Charge it.
This is our fan.
Fan.
Because actually it's still cold, but the point is he wants and So it's a tower fan. Fan! Kinokorek po tayo ng picture dito.
Tower.
Tower. So it's quite tall. We didn't expect it to be this tall. So let's try drawing it again this way. Because the opening is on top of this. So it's hard to open when you're just using scissors.
Why are you speaking English?
I don't know. Because you're in America. Po natin at magtagalog tayo kasi bakit daw tayo nag-i-English. So excuse nyo naman po yung ano ko. Pasa. Why am I the one doing this?
You're my guest host.
Okay. Pasilip.
Check it out. Oh, it's white, not black.
You ordered white.
Oh, I forgot.
You choose white. Actually, you should have choose black. Because our bedside table, the sides is black. Oh, this is fine. Oh my god. Typical. I need a hand.
Use the scissors.
I don't know. Okay. Don't let them see my hair. It's so messy. Rotate it.
Only 3?
4.
4. Okay.
Rotate it.
Which one is rotate? This one?
Maybe the other one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's this? No sound?
Maybe.
This one, what's this? Cooling. And then this one, timer. Yeah, it's timer. Okay. Okay. I like it.
Why you off the lights?
Huh?
Okay.
This one is zoom, auto, wind. Okay. What's next?
B naman.
B. When I say B, raise your hand.
B.
Raise your hand. Next, step 3. So what do we need? D and C? D. Oh, this one's letter C.
C is Tagalog siya.
And letter D. C sila, no? C and D lang ito need. Using wrench 11. This one is 11. Install board C to the bottom side of the board A and B.
A
with screws. Screw number 2. Ay, hindi yung screw yun. What's next? Like this? Pagwak, di ba? Pagwak. Ano yung mga 11?
D. Really here.
D.
Which side is D?
Para lang D. Like this?
No. The other side.
Ah, on the other side. Wala din sa ano.
Ha?
Wala.
Surong kita eh. Oh my gosh, kini siya dapat ho. Ining daw may rubber da ho.
So, wrong ini mo. Ini mo.
Hindi ko magbukas ta. Pag bukas ta po muna, hindi na lang mabukas.
Ay, kundi. Wrong ini mo. Wrong ka.
Lousy.
Okay lang na. Hindi na ako gusto mo.
Ano siya ang i-pull like that, pull like that. Is it? Is it? Pull like that.
Paano mo siya ma-pull kay i-close mo siya dito? Oo.
Okay, now let's do this side. I can see it now.
Same this one.
Stand the outside.
Parehas mo lang. Okay, screw. Same screw, right?
Maybe.
Number 4. Number 4, yeah. Ay, wait. We're using an install board to the top of the leg.
It should be like this.
True.
They like that.
Ano type pa niya? Saan pa yan?
Ako lang natigan is buwas pa. Back mo.
Okay na.
Gusto mo i-flat tagid sa?
Ano flat?
We did it! We did it! Okay, what's next? Mami, sabihin mo, mamay lang sa galing.
Ano ba yung gusto mo? What's next? Step 5. Using wrench 11, install leg to the boards A and B. Na-install na, di ba?
Yeah. Give me that.
It doesn't fit. No, it's not fit. Ayan. Anong number? Screw. Same screw, number
2.
4.
Number 11. 2.
This one.
It's not the screw.
Hmm? Oh my god, tingala mo ko. It's 11 ka. 2. Black butang mo.
Anyhow, 11 man eh.
Ano? It's not different.
So, hindi niya dapat ang gamit. Naluga na. So, put this one inside. Can we like put it? Put inside.
Ah?
Oh God.
Dapat ibutang sa gilidana eh. Ang C.
Hindi ba? Ipaputangan niya magina sa ako.
Ay, oh, diri ho. Nag-ano-ano na naman sa mo. Bulay, okay.
May L pa yan. Nasaan ang L?
Ay, okay. L. Okay.
L hole. Okay. So, we
Unscrew.
unscrew everything.
Everything dyan.
Palis ka rin to sa. Dito akong